my name is Lexi. I'm a naturalist with Baltimore Woods Nature Center in Marcellus, New York. We are going to read a book called The Little Yellow Leaf by Karen Berger. Let's get started. It was autumn. In the hush of the forest, a lone yellow leaf clung to the branch of a great oak tree. I'm not ready yet, thought the little yellow leaf, as a riot of fiery leaves chased and swirled around the tree. Not yet, thought the little yellow leaf. As the afternoon sun beckoned and teased. Not ready, thought the little yellow leaf, as apples grew musky, pumpkins heavy, and flocks of geese took wing. Look at all these different things that you can find in the fall. What's your favorite fall activity? Do you like to go apple picking? Do you like to carve pumpkins? Or maybe you just like to take a walk in the woods to look at all the fall colors. Or maybe you like to make big piles of leaves and jump in them just like these kids are. Still not, he thought, as the other leaves gathered into great heaps, crackly dry where children played. A chill filled the air, and the sun sank slow. Not ready, thought the little yellow leaf, as a heavy harvest moon bloomed amber in the starry sky. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Through the long night, snow flurried, and the little yellow leaf held fast to the great oak tree. Days passed by, and still the little yellow leaf held tight, alone. He searched the bare, bare branches covered only with a shimmer of snow. Alone. And then high up on an icy branch, a scarlet flash. One more leaf holding tight. You're here? Called the little yellow leaf. I am, said the little scarlet leaf. Like me, said the little yellow leaf. Neither spoke. Finally, will you? Asked the little scarlet leaf. I will, said the little yellow leaf. And 1, 2, 3, they let go and soared. Into the waiting wind they danced, off and away and away and away. Together. The end. What a beautiful book. I love when the leaves change color and start to fall from the trees. But why do they do that? If you want to find out, watch Naturalist Emily's nature check-in about why the leaves change color. You can find that video on our social media or on our website, baltimorewoods.org. And if you're interested in some fun fall activities, check out the leaf chromatography experiment or the fall colors scavenger hunt, also on our website. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed The Little Yellow Leaf by Karen Berger. We'll see you next time.